Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the mock popcorn stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made single crochet stitches, and then these raised stitches right here are the mock popcorn stitches. So you can see how they are going to look. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the single crochet stitch. I have tutorials on both of those, and I will have them listed down below. So since we are starting with the single crochet stitch, I have already made one chain on my hook over here. I'm going to go ahead and make one single crochet, 2, 3, and I'm going to make 4. And then to make the mock popcorns, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. And then you're going to do some single crochets again. So I'm going to do 4 single crochets into the next 4 stitches. And then I would like to make another mock. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Then I'm going to do 4 single crochets into the next 4 stitches. This particular stitch is made up of 2 rows to make this stitch. So if it looks like they're different right now, it's going to come together on the next row. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that. This stitch is made up of 2 rows. So I'm showing you the first row right now. So I'm going to do another mock right here. I'm going to do 4 chains. And then I'm going to end with single crochets in the rest of the stitches right here. So like I said, this is going to make up 2 rows to make this particular stitch. So I'm going to chain 1, turn my work. I'm then going to be working on this side to make the mock stitches. So I'm going to make single crochets into these stitches right here until I get to this mock that I want to work. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. So you can see that we did a single crochet, the chains, and then the single crochet. So once you get to the single crochet that are connected to the chains, you're going to work a single crochet into that single crochet. Then you're going to skip this space completely, and you're going to work a single crochet into the one that is also on the other side connected to these chains right here. Okay? So you could do it this way where you keep your yarn in front of that mock right there. I like to bring it on this side. I like to bring it behind my work right here. They're facing the front of you right now, but this is the back of your work. So I like to bring it on this side, and then I will have it right here. I'm holding it on this side of the stitch, and then I will make my single crochet into here. And you can see that it moved that mock popcorn to this side of your work, that it is now raised right there. Okay, so I'm going to make single crochets in the next stitches until I reach my next mock. So we've reached it. You can see there's that single crochet right there connected to the chains, and then that single crochet right there. You're going to be working a single crochet into this one right here that are connected to the chains. So I made that single crochet. You're going to skip this space right here that are made by those chains. And you're going to work a single crochet into this one right here that's connected with those chains. So again, I like to bring my yarn on this side. I then make that single crochet. And you can see that it moved the popcorn over here onto this side of my work. Hope you guys can see that if it's like focusing. Okay, so then now I'm going to make single crochets up until my next mock popcorn. I have reached the next one. You can see there's a single crochet here, and those chains, and then a single crochet right here. You're going to work a single crochet into the one next to you that's going to be connected to these chains right here. So this one, you're going to work a single crochet. You're then going to skip this space, skip these chains. You're going to work a single crochet into this space right here, into this single crochet that are connected with these chains. Again, I bring my yarn onto this side, and then I work a single crochet right into here. You can see how that turned out. My mock popcorn is on this side. And then I'm going to finish my row with single crochets until the end. Okay. If I turn my work around, you can see that these are the mock popcorns that I had made in that row. And you can see how the first row that we did, it's set up to make the mock popcorns complete on the next row. You made those chain 4. Then once you did the single crochet over those chain 4 in the next row, it brought the chains together to make that little mock popcorn stitch. And you can see that it adds texture, that it sticks up from your work. So that is going to be how to make the mock popcorn stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below for future tutorials or videos that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.